Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. For today's video, we're going to go ahead and unbox and show you guys this duster blower. So we got this for our computer area, and our keyboard always gets so dirty and it's hard to clean it. So this is also good for cleaning your vehicles, your dashboards, and also under your hood, so in your engine bay compartment. So this is what it looks like. Almost resembles a little bit of a mini hair blower. You have two different ends. You have a brush end, which you just connect these by placing it in there. And then you have a direct line of fire end. And again, you just slide it right in. You have a charging cable, which is a Type-C, so we know it's an updated model. All right, let's go ahead and see. On the back here is where you charge the Type-C. You know, you charge it with the Type-C. You got a light. Wow. Whoa. So you have two modes. I thought this was fast, like this is full power, but you got another mode. I mean, that blows a lot of air. I mean, extreme amount of air. Let's go ahead and test it out. All right, you guys see how dusty this is up here? Let's see how well this works. Now, I do want to point out that if you're going to be doing this, make sure you wear a mask. And it also helps to have a filter like this, a purifier. So we're going to turn this on high, and that way it pulls in the dust. And also, I recommend you guys leaving the area for maybe 15-20 minutes as you stir the dust around. Wow, it works great. Now it's time to wipe off with a cleaning towel and we're done. Guys, this actually works phenomenal, and this is only one use. We got many more uses that we're definitely going to use this with.